Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So here we have a question that 16 divided by 4 multiplied to divide by 4. Okay. So now let's solve this problem by using a PEMDAS rule. PEMDAS. According to PEMDAS rule, P means parenthesis, A means exponents, M means multiplication, D means division, A means addition, and S means subtraction. First priority is parenthesis, then second priority is exponents, then third priority is multiplication and division, and fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. And also addition and subtraction both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Okay. So in this problem, first we have to solve this parenthesis. Okay. So now solve this parenthesis. 16, here is a division and here is multiplication. Both have equal priority, so we have to solve from left to right. First we have to solve this division. 16 divided by 4 is equal to 4 multiply 2 divided by 4. Now first we have to solve this parenthesis. So 4 multiply 2 is equal to 8 divided by 4. Okay. Now 8 divided by 4 is equal to 2. Okay. So the correct answer is 2. If you like this problem, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.